If you've stopped accepting a particular payment type in your restaurant, removing it from your POS system is necessary to avoid confusing your staff and to keep your POS system intuitive. In this video, we'll learn how to delete a payment type on Sapaad. Let's begin. Visit Setup and select Global Settings. Go to Payment Types and look for the particular payment type you want to remove. Once you've found it, click Delete. Also, predefined payment types like cash, paid online, MasterCard, Visa, and loyalty cannot be deleted. Let's try an order. Go to Walk-in and place an order. The payment type you deleted shouldn't be included in the options when you settle the bill. If you're wondering if deleting a payment type will also delete all the associated sales data, don't worry. Sapaad won't eliminate any sales data, even those related to the payment type you deleted. And there you have it. You've just learned how to delete a payment type on Sapaad. Make sure to check out our video on how to hide payment types on Sapaad POS. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.